We've all been there. You're about to take the perfect photo, download a crucial app, or save a video, and then bam, that dreaded storage almost full notification pops up. It's like your phone has a sixth sense for the worst possible moments. The knee-jerk reaction is to start deleting your precious photos and videos, but those are your memories. They're irreplaceable. Well, the good news is you might not have to get rid of them. The real villain is probably hiding in plain sight. Believe it or not, your phone is likely hoarding hundreds, maybe even thousands of duplicate files that are secretly gobbling up gigabytes of your storage. We're talking hidden copies of photos, downloaded documents, audio files, and more that just build up over time without you even knowing it. In this guide, I'm going to show you the surprisingly easy way to hunt down and destroy these digital clones using free, built-in tools already on your phone, plus a couple of powerhouse apps that take the cleanup to a whole new level. Let's free up some serious space without deleting a single memory you want to keep. So how does your phone end up with a secret army of clones? It's not like you're saving the same selfie 5 times on purpose. These duplicates are sneaky. They multiply in the background from everyday tasks. Every time you download a PDF from an email or save a boarding pass, a copy might get made. When you share a photo on WhatsApp, the app often saves its own version on top of the one in your gallery. Backing up photos to multiple cloud services can sometimes accidentally save duplicates right back onto your phone. Even your apps are guilty, creating cached files that they never bother to clean up. Over months and years, these forgotten copies pile up. A single photo doesn't seem like a big deal, but hundreds of them, plus duplicate videos and documents, that can take a massive bite out of your storage. It doesn't just trigger those annoying warnings, it can actually slow your phone down. Ever notice your gallery app lagging as it tries to load? All those extra files are part of the problem. But you don't need a new phone, you just need a good digital deep clean. And luckily, it's way easier than you think. Let's start with the tools you don't even have to download. Most Android phones already have powerful file managers that are surprisingly good at finding basic duplicate files. They're free, they're safe, and they're simple. We'll focus on the big ones, Files by Google, which is the standard on most Androids. First, let's look at Files by Google. It comes pre-installed on a ton of phones, but if you don't have it, it's a free download from the Play Store. It's a fantastic all-in-one tool. Here's what you do. Open the Files by Google app. Tap the hamburger menu from the top and then tap the Clean tab. This is your command center for freeing up space. Now, as you scroll through the suggestions, you might see cards for cleaning junk files or old screenshots. The one you're hoping to see is a card labeled Delete Duplicates. If it's there, great. For me, it is not here, but I have another important section, Delete Big File. The system works almost the same even if you have duplicate files or big files. Tap Select Files on that card. The app will show you every identical file it found, neatly grouped together. It even marks one as the original and suggests you keep it. From there, you can either select the copies you want to delete or just tap the All Duplicates circle to select every single copy at once. Hit Move to Trash, confirm your choice, and boom, space reclaimed. Best of all, those files sit in the trash for 30 days before they're gone for good, giving you a safety net in case you delete something by accident. Also, if you're on the Big Files section, you can select every file that you want to delete and hit the same Move to Trash option. The built-in tools are great for exact copies, but what about photos that are just almost identical, like all those burst shots you took to get the perfect one, or photos you edited? For that kind of deep cleaning, we turn to specialized third-party apps. They need storage permissions to work their magic, but the good ones are safe and have much smarter scanning abilities. One of the most popular is Duplicate Files Fixer. Once you install it and give it permission, you get a clean interface. You can run a full scan or just target specific things, like only photos or videos. For the first time, I'd just go for a full scan. Tap Scan Now and let the app do its thing. When it's done, it presents everything in organized groups. The killer feature here is that it automatically marks all the extra copies for deletion, leaving one original untouched. This is a huge time saver. Of course, you should still give the list a quick once-over using the preview thumbnails. When you're ready, just tap Delete Now. Just a heads up, the free version will let you delete a limited number of files, maybe around 15, before it asks you to upgrade. For those who want to hunt down similar images for free, an excellent choice is Remo Duplicate File Remover. This app takes things a step further. When you run a scan with Remo, it not only finds the exact match duplicates, but also flags similar-looking photos. This is an absolute game changer for cleaning up a gallery full of burst shots where you only need to keep the single best picture. The process is the same: install, grant permissions, and scan. It intelligently groups exact and similar files separately and lets you decide what to keep. It gives you a level of control you just can't get with the basic tools. Before you go on a deleting spree, here's a few quick tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, and I can't stress this enough, always preview before you delete. These apps are smart, but they aren't you. Take a few seconds to scroll through the list of what's marked for deletion just to make sure you're not accidentally tossing an edited photo you love. You're the final boss here. Second, embrace the recycle bin. Both Google and Samsung give you that 30-day grace period. If you have instant regret, you can almost always go into the bin and restore the file. Think of it as your undo button. Third, for a quick manual check, try sorting files by size. Open your file manager, go to your Downloads or Pictures folder, and sort by size. Big duplicate video files often float right to the top, making them easy to spot. Fourth, a great habit is to run a duplicate scan right after a big backup. The process of syncing files can sometimes create extra copies, so doing a quick clean afterward keeps your device pristine. And finally, don't forget to check your phone's gallery app. Some manufacturers, like Samsung and Google, build a duplicate or cleanup suggestion tool right into their gallery apps. It's another built-in helper that's worth checking out. So there you have it. You are now officially equipped to fight back against the storage-full monster. As you've seen, your phone is probably hiding a ton of junk copies, but getting rid of them is totally straightforward. For a quick and easy win, your built-in Files by Google or Samsung My Files app will do a fantastic job. For a deeper clean that can even find those tricky, similar-looking photos, an app like Duplicate Files Fixer or Remo is your best bet. By using these tools, you can reclaim gigabytes of storage, maybe even speed up your phone, and most importantly, make room for all the new memories you're about to make. Now, I'm curious, which method did you try, and what was the final damage? How much space did you actually get back? Drop a comment below and let everyone know. It's always wild to see how much storage was just sitting there being wasted. If this guide helped you out, a thumbs up would be amazing. It really helps the channel grow. And for more simple tech tips that make your life easier, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.